go to Hook Social Login, then Configurations, and click X Developers. Visit the developer portal, go to Dashboard, and click Create Project. Add your app name, select a use case like exploring the API, add a project description, and then click Next. Enter your app name again, and click Next. Now copy the API key and API key secret, then paste them into the respective fields in the Hook app backend. Return to X Developers, click on App Settings, then click Set App under User Authentication Settings. Set app permissions to read and write, and direct message. Enable request email from users. Under Type of App, choose Web App, Automated App, or Bot. Go to App Info. In the Hook app backend, click the I button to copy the callback URL format. Paste it into the callback URL field in X Developers, and replace everything after shop with your store URL. Website URL, organization name, organization URL, terms of service, and privacy policy. Click Save, and when prompted, click Yes to confirm permission changes. Copy the callback URL from X Developers, paste it into the Hook app backend, then click Enable. Go to your online store, click the Login button, and confirm the configuration works.